there friends, welcome back to another Bluebird Art Studios drawing tutorial. I'm Miss Emma and today we're going to make some holiday art by drawing the Grinch's hand holding a shiny Christmas ornament. Grab your paper, pencil, a Sharpie, and some crayons and let's start drawing. First, let's divide our paper so it's easier to chart everything out. Draw a light vertical line down the middle of the page and another one across the center to make 4 equal sections. At the top right section of the page, we're going to draw a half circle for the Grinch's sleeve. On the other side, draw a cloud-like line for the other side of this sleeve. And then finally add a semi-straight line for the hand to pop out of. Now drag 2 lines to the outer side of the paper to make his arm. Now we're going to start the Grinch's hand. Start by drawing a curved line on the top, tucking the line right into the sleeve. From there, draw a delicate curved line for the pointer finger. Add a similarly curved line to the right of it and have those 2 lines meet in a point. Now we're going to invert this, so curve out the thumb and add a similar line to the right of it like we did the first time. Then we'll add another bump to make his palm, and then draw the line of his wrist down into that sleeve and erase the overlapping outline. From here, draw the other 3 fingers as we drew the pointer finger, the middle ring and pinky. Make them curvy and a little spooky, just like the Grinch. From here, we're going to start with a line coming straight down from the Grinch's fingers to the top of the ornament. Then draw a small rectangle for the cap of the ornament. Now we're going to add the circle. Try your best to draw a nice, even circle under the topper. It doesn't have to be perfect, but going slow and steady can help you get an even circle. Now it's time to grab our Sharpie and trace over all of the lines we've just made. Don't rush this step. Go ahead and take your time. Again, we're going to start with the sleeve and the arm before we begin the hand. Carefully outline each of the fingers, keeping an eye on where your marker is at all times. As you outline the hand, you can add little hairy lines poking out of the Grinch's fingers, his wrist, and his sleeve to make him look extra fluffy. You can even make the hair go in different directions for a wild effect. You can see that I did this on his wrist and on the tips of each of the fingers. After we finish this step, we're going to move on to the ornament once again. We'll take our time going slow and steady to create that straight line. As I was outlining the ornament topper, the small rectangle, I added some little details to make it look more realistic. Now after you finish outlining your circle, we're going to go in with our eraser and erase any pencil marks we see poking out from under the Sharpie. Now grab a yellowish green crayon and begin coloring in the Grinch's hands. When you're coloring, try your best to follow the direction that the fur would go. You can even use little strokes to make it look like it's fluffy. Next, we're going to move on to the red on the coat and then the ornaments. Take your time and fill in every bit neatly. Before you do this, you can use your crayon to lightly outline where the highlights would go, as I've done here. These are the spots that you're not going to color in. Moving on to the background, draw little blue circles all around your page. These will look like snowflakes falling down. Then use your blue crayon to color all around these circles. You can color this background in any direction you would like. I decided to do it diagonally so it looked like snow was falling down. That is it for today. We have finished our Grinch drawing. I hope you've enjoyed following along. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next Bluebird Art Studio tutorial. Thank you for drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends!